Since it's a blizzard here in the Midwest, we're doing some stovetop chicken. We have some South Florida Fishing Channel fish and game seasoning, garlic and onion. Ooh, that's gonna be good. By the way, I added a ton more than that. Making wraps, everything's looking good. Chicken's nice and seasoned and well done. Add more flavor. Our chicken's pulled off to the side after being tossed in that Parmesan garlic and seasoned with the South Florida Fish and Game seasoning, garlic and onion. We're about to cook up some bacon in here. We saved this pan because of all the flavor that's in there, because everything's gonna get reintroduced. Oh yeah. We're slowly adding our freshly grated Parmesan cheese. It's going to be about a cup and a half after it's all said and done. Heating up our tortilla. Cheers. I mean, you'll thank me forever for this, and that's okay. Just subscribe. We got more coming.